Hi students, in the last class we learned trigonometric identities. Which are they? First one, sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. Second one, 1 plus tan square a equal to sec square a. And third one, 1 plus cot square is equal to cosec square a. With these identities, we can solve a few questions from exercise 8.4. So, we already discussed a few questions and the balance question. Fifth question, second one, cos a by 1 plus sin a plus 1 plus sin a by cos a equal to 2 sec a. We have to prove this. Cos a by 1 plus sin a plus 1 plus sin a by cos a equal to 2 sec a. So, we have to take the left side. Left side we can take cos a by 1 plus sin a plus 1 plus sin a, this is plus 2 fraction is there, by cos a. This we can take LCM. Cos a and 1 plus sin a is the denominator. So we can take the LCM as cos a 1 plus sin a. Okay, already 1 plus sin a is denominator here. So we have to multiply with cos a with cos a. So it will become cos square a. Clear this one. See, 3 by 4 plus 2 by 5. So what is the LCM? Actually what LCM is 4 into 5. So 4 is the denominator there. So we are multiplying 5 with 3. Like this, cos with the cos. We are multiplied. That is cos square a plus, here already denominator cos a is there, but is not the 1 plus sin a. So 1 plus sin a we have to multiply with the 1 plus sin a. It will become 1 plus sin a whole square. Okay. Now on the numerator 1 plus sin a whole square is there. Just expand using the identity, algebraic identities a plus b whole square. That we have to remember now. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. This identity we are applying here. So this become 1 square plus sin square a plus 2ab to sin a. Using the identity we expand. Denominator there is no change. Clear this one? Now look here. Sin square a plus cos square a is there. First we can write 1. Rearranging. 1 square is 1. Next one is cos square a plus sin square a. We rearrange the terms to sin a whole divided by cos a into 1 plus sin a. Now look here, 1 and this term is using identities, trigonometric identities, sin square a plus cos square is 1. So 1 plus 1 to sin a divided by cos a into 1 plus sin a. That is equal to 2 plus 2 sin a whole divided by cos a into 1 plus sin a. Now from the numerator we can take 2 common. 2 1 plus sin a whole divided by cos a into 1 plus sin a. Now numerator and denominator 1 plus sin a is there, that we can cancel. So balance 2 by cos a. What is 1 by cos a? That is sec a. So 2 already here, or we can write it 2 into 1 by cos a, that is 2 sec a. This is our RHS. Look here. Very simple. First we are taking the LCM, cos a into 1 plus sin a. After that we are expanding using the algebraic identities a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Again we are rearranging the terms. 1 square is 1, cos square a plus sin square a. We are taking together because we can apply the trigonometric identities here. 2 sin a divided by, there is no change in denominator. See, its value cos square a plus sin square is 1. So 1 plus 1 equal to, 1 plus 1 plus 2 sin a whole divided by cos a into 1 plus sin a. From this 1 plus 1 we are adding, we will get it 2. 2 plus 2 sin A divided by cos A into 1 plus sin A. So 2 we are taking common, then balance 1 plus sin A inside the bracket, denominator cos A into 1 plus sin A. So numerator and denominator one term is common, that is 1 plus sin A, that we can cancel. We will get it 2 by cos A, last answer. Again we are writing it as 2 into 1 by cos A. Okay. 1 by cos A is ck by our relation between cos A and ck. So 2 into ck, that is our RHS. We proved. Is it? Okay, we can do another problem. Okay dears, our second question. Prove that tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. We have to prove left side is equal to right side. For this, one hint is given in your textbook. All the terms you have to convert into in terms of sin theta and cos theta. So first we can change tan theta in terms of sin theta cos theta. So left side we are taking. What is tan theta? That is sin theta by cos theta. Okay. Whole divided by 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta. In terms of sin and cos, cot is cos theta by sin theta plus cot theta again cos theta by sin theta whole divided by 1 minus sin theta cos theta. Clear? And next step, here numerator we are writing the same. After that denominator we are taking LCM sin theta. We will get a sin theta minus cos theta. Because sin theta multiply with 1, we will get a sin theta minus cos theta is there. And like this same we are doing in the second term also. Cos theta by sin theta is numerator. No change. And we are taking here cos theta is the LCM. Then cos theta minus sin theta. Okay. Now two fractions are there. On the numerator one fraction, denominator one fraction. So we can write this sin theta by cos theta into, it's a reciprocal we are writing. Sin theta by sin theta minus cos theta. This we can take in bracket because two terms are there. Plus cos theta divided by sin theta into this reciprocal we are taking. Then it becomes cos theta by cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, cos theta minus sin theta, here sin theta minus cos theta. So just we have to take one negative from here, then we can change this term. That we are doing in the next step. Sin square theta divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta plus, sorry, we are taking minus on the common, then it becomes minus cos square theta whole divided by sin theta into, now we are rechanging it as sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, clear this step? From here we have to take the same term, that is why we are taking minus common. Here sin theta minus cos theta, but here cos theta minus sin theta. So we are taking minus common, then it becomes sin theta minus cos theta. So sin square theta divided by cos theta sin theta minus cos theta on the first term, and the second term is this one. Now look at the denominator. What is common there? We can take the LCM. Sin theta cos theta is there in both cases. So sin theta minus cos theta, and here cos theta and second term is sin theta. So we can write cos theta sin theta. All the term it is coming. Cos theta, sin theta, again sin theta minus cos theta. This is the LCM. So what is on the denominator in the first term? Cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta. That no need to take. The balance sin theta only. So sin theta multiply with the sin square theta. It becomes sin cube theta. Direct step I am writing. Clear? Minus here denominator sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta is there. Cos theta is not there. So multiply with the cos square theta with the cos theta. It becomes cos cube theta. Clear this step? Sin cube. How it is sin cube? This sin cube we are sin square theta into sin theta is sin cube theta. Here cos square theta into cos theta is cos cube theta. Now look here, it is in the form a cube minus b cube. In the last year we learned what is a cube minus b cube? A minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. This is identity we learned in the last year. That identity we are applying here. Then it become sin theta minus cos theta into a minus b into a square sin square theta plus cos square theta plus ab sin theta cos theta. Okay, whole divided by cos theta sin theta in bracket sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, this is in the bracket. Now again we can solve. When the balance sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, that we can write here on the left side. It is sin theta minus cos theta is already there, and next term is 1 plus sin theta cos theta. Clear this term? Whole divided by cos theta sin theta in bracket sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, now sin theta minus cos theta we can cancel in both cases there. So on the numerator it become 1 plus sin theta cos theta whole divided by cos theta sin theta. Okay, now look at the answer. We need 1 and sec theta cosec theta. So you have to split this term. So 1 by cos theta sin theta plus here plus sign. Second time it becomes sin theta cos theta whole divided by cos theta sin theta. Okay, what is 1 by cos theta? Or we can write again, we can split this as 1 by cos theta into 1 by sin theta. Okay, plus sin theta cos theta divided by cos theta sin theta is 1 itself. So what is 1? I am writing first 1 plus what is 1 by cos theta? That is sec theta. What is 1 by sin theta? Cosec theta. So this is our RHS. We proved. Okay, one more time I will explain this one. Listen all of you. First, tan theta, cot theta we are writing in terms of sin theta and cos theta. So first step you will get this. Just replace tan theta and cot theta in terms of sin theta and cos theta. Okay, first step over. And the second step in the denominator we are taking LCM. One is sin theta, another one is cos theta. We are taking LCM, we will get like this. After that fractions division we are doing, reciprocal with multiplied. So we will get sin square theta by like this. And here one term is the same term but the sign is changed. So we are making it as a same term using one negative we are taking on the outside. So this becomes cos square theta by sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta. This time again we are taking the LCM of the denominator. So sin theta cos theta in bracket sin theta cos theta. After that we are multiplying the numerator with the sin theta and cos theta. We will get like this. After that we are applying a cube minus b cube is expansion is a minus b into a square minus or a square plus b square plus ab, that is a cube minus b cube. So we are applying that formula, that identity here. After that is trigonometric identity we are applying. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Again we will get it as 1 plus sin theta cos theta. This and numerator and denominator we will get one same term, that we will cancel. After that numerator only 1 plus sin theta cos theta divided by cos theta by sin theta on the denominator. Again we are splitting the terms. 1 by denominator is same, so 1 by cos theta sin theta plus next term is sin theta cos theta divided by cos theta sin theta. Okay, we need sec theta cosec theta, so we are splitting again this as 1 by cos theta into 1 by sin theta. This term cancel, we will get 1. So 1 I am writing first. So plus 1 by cos theta is sec theta and 1 by sin theta is cosec theta. That is our RHS. Clear? Okay, here we are applying algebraic identities and trigonometric identities. Okay. Okay, one more question we get. Okay, our third question. 1 plus ck divided by ck is equal to sin square a by 1 minus cos a. We have to prove this. And one hint is given. We have to take the left side and right side separately and solve it. And we can show that left side equal to right side. Okay, solution. 1 plus ck. Left side we are taking 1 plus ck. 1 plus ck we are writing in terms of cos a. So it becomes 1 by cos a. And here also 1 by cos a. First taking the LCM on the numerator. It becomes cos a plus 1. When we are taking LCM it becomes cos a plus 1. And here denominator is 1 by cos a. Again we are solving cos a plus 1 by cos a. It is a fraction. So reciprocal we are multiplying cos a by 1. So cos a and cos a cancelled. We will get a cos a plus 1. This is our left side. Now we are taking right side RHS. Sin square a by 1 minus cos a. Sin square a is equal to identity 1 minus cos square a. Last day we learned sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1, or sin square is equal to 1 minus cos square a divided by 1 minus cos a. It is in the form a square minus b square, then a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b, 1 plus cos a into 1 minus cos a whole divided by 1 minus cos a. Okay, here we are applied a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. This identity we applied here. So we will get 1 plus cos a into 1 minus cos a divided by 1 minus cos a. This we can cancel. We will get 1 plus cos a. What is our LHS? Cos a plus 1. Or we can write it as cos a plus 1. This is our LHS. Now we got RHS is equal to LHS. It is very simple question. Okay, only one formula you are learning this ck is equal to 1 by cos a, that we are applied. After that fractions LCM we are taking and solving. It is very important how to take the LCM and how to solve or dividing a fraction with a fraction. Here cos a plus 1 by cos a is a fraction, 1 by cos is another fraction. So first we are taking numerator fraction and we are taking the denominator fractions reciprocal and multiplied. So cos a cancel, we will get cos a plus 1. Here we are using trigonometric identity. Sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos square a. Now again we are using algebraic identity. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. That is 1 plus cos a into 1 minus cos a. This we will cancel. We will get 1 plus cos a. That is we are changing reversing order because our LHS is cos a plus 1. So we are writing it also cos a plus 1. That is our LHS. So RHS equal to LHS. Clear this one? It is very simple question. Okay. Today's last question. Prove that cos a minus sin a plus 1 divided by cos a plus sin a minus 1 equal to cosec a plus cot a. So here in the right side it is given in cosec a cot a. So we have to change the left side in terms of cosec and cot. For this we are dividing by sin a all terms. All terms we are dividing with the sin a. So it becomes cos a. Let us we can write. Okay, cos a by sin a minus sin a by sin a plus 1 by sin a. We are dividing all the terms by sin a. So it again becomes cos a by sin a plus sin a by sin a minus 1 by sin a. Again this becomes cos a by sin a. What is cos a by sin a? It is cot a minus 1 plus 1 by sin a is cosec a whole divided by, again it becomes cot a plus 1 minus cosec a. Or we can rearrange and write it as cosec a plus cot a minus 1 divided by 1 plus cot a minus cosec A. Just we rearrange. Okay. We learned one identity, cosec square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. So we applied this 1 as cosec square A minus cosec square A minus cot square A, all divided by 1 plus cot A minus cosec A. Here there is no change. Again this is in the form A square minus B square. So we can change this term as cosec A plus cot A minus, here we are applied that A square minus B square form. So cosec A plus cot A into cosec A minus cot A, whole divided by 1 plus cot A minus cosec A. Okay. Now from here cosec A plus cot A we can take common. Cosec A plus cot A we are taking common. Then inside the bracket here it is 1 minus, here it is become cosec A minus cot A, whole divided by 1 plus cot A plus cosec, 1 plus cot A minus cosec A. That is equal to cosec A plus cot A. We are opening the bracket 1 minus cosec A plus cot A, whole divided by 1 plus cot A minus cosec A. See here on the numerator and denominator same term, 1 plus cot A minus cosec A. So here we will get a cosec A plus cot A. This is our RHS. So left side equal to right side. Okay, clear this one? First, you have to check the right side. Here cosec and cot. So we have to get the answer in cosec and cot terms. So we are dividing numerator and denominator with the denominator and numerator divided by, we can write like this, divided by sin A. Okay, both numerator and denominator we are dividing with the sin A in all terms. So all terms we are dividing, we will get it in terms of cot and cosec. After that we are applying that identity, 1 is equal to cosec square A minus cot square A. First we applied that one. After that A square minus B square form, it is in the, we are expanded A plus B into A minus B. Again we are taking cosec A plus cot A as common. Then inside the bracket 1 minus cosec A minus cot A we will get, we have opened the bracket, so minus cot A become plus cot A. So the same term on the denominator is there, 1 plus cot A minus cosec A. Rearrange the terms. Okay. So we cancelled that, then balance cosec A plus cot A. So today we solved only 4 questions. All these questions are very important. See how to practice and study. Okay students. Thank you.